Hey guys, if you are watching this video, then obviously you know that I have most likely been gone for quite a while. As I mentioned in my last video, I will link that for you guys up above, so you can go ahead and check that out if you haven't yet. Anyway, today I am so freaking way behind, but I just had to do this because I hate leaving things unfinished. So yeah, I'm unboxing my February Sephora Play box because I haven't unboxed it yet, and it's March. So you know how I am about getting new stuff and ripping into it, and oh my gosh, what did I get? And I'm like the girl who's peeling off the packaging in the car, swatching the lipsticks. I didn't touch any of this. I haven't even looked into it. I'm throwing stuff all over my floor apparently. But I wanted to unbox this just because in my brain, if I had all the other months and not February, it would drive me crazy. And also, I know you guys sometimes like knowing what I think of this stuff. So let's jump right into it. Here's the box. Of course, it's always the same. And here is this, the little poster we get every month. Oh, here's the front of it. They had it backwards. Okay. This is your Sephora Play card. Of course, you get 50 Beauty Insider points when you take it in store. You still can't use it online, so it's kind of useless to me, unfortunately. But we also get the little booklet that describes all of the stuff inside of it. And I kind of love that this is designed like, there's supposed to be like feel-good messages you can cut out and give to people. But you know what these remind me of? I'm probably sounding way old here, but do you remember when you could get like the printed out fortunes from like the little creepy fortune telling boxes? They always look like this. So I kind of love the design of this. It's really, really cute. And here is your bag, and it says feel the love, and it's got this little girl on it, but she is giving you like some major side eye in this. She's like, yeah, but I kind of like that too. So let's dive right in. I am going to make this video as quick as possible for you guys just because I'm running short on time and I'm sure you are too. So let's see what we have in here. Ooh, this is heavy. Okay, this is, yes. Okay, this is the Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel Exfoliant. You guys know I love this type of exfoliator. I'm so freaking happy. The e.l.f. exfoliator, their peeling exfoliant is like my holy grail exfoliant, so I'm really excited to try this. It says visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells when massaged onto skin, and multi-action enzymes and cellulose help uncover a smooth, fresh, new complexion. This is from Thomas Roth. I love his products. I don't think I've tried anything of his yet that I haven't liked, so I'm very excited to give this a shot. Let me see, open this up. It does have a seal. Yay, we love those safety seals. I'm going to pop this. It's just like a clear whitish liquid. If any, it has a very light scent, but not one I can really discern. But that's also a very nice size sample as well. So I'm very excited to try that out. Let's see what else we've got. Another bigger tube. Ooh, okay, this is from First Aid Beauty, which I love their products as well. This is their Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask, safe for sensitive skin. It says apply gel to clean skin, leave for 10 minutes and rinse with water. Use 3 times a week as per needed. It doesn't say what this does. Now I know ginger, turmeric, and vitamin C are all very good for your skin, and especially for removing hyperpigmentation. I'm going to peek though. Okay, it says it's to comfort and brighten stressed out skin. So it's supposed to add moisture and hydrate your skin, and also vitamin C will help lift hyperpigmentation, so that is great as well. Though I don't know how effective this vitamin C is going to be because I do know that vitamin C has to be kept in a dark and cold environment, and this is in a clear tube. So we'll see. Anyway, love face masks and love getting them in these boxes. Our fragrance sample is, ooh, okay, so this is a double-edged thing for me. This is Tory Burch Love Relentlessly. This is a repeat. I've gotten this before, probably about a year ago, but I love this perfume. So while I'm like, it's a repeat, it's also a repeat of a perfume that I just ran out of and I freaking love. Like, I want to buy a full size of this. because it's that good. Like, I love the scent of this. So I'm extra excited to have this. So yeah, I am fine with duplicates if it's something I love. So moving on, we have, ooh, okay, this is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Matte Lipstick in M500. I'm guessing it's a red, which I swear I think we've gotten a red lipstick from them before, maybe? Maybe I'm wrong. Ooh, no, that is like dark, dark. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this. Ooh, that's like, that's almost the exact same shade as Maybelline Divine Wine. That's a very burgundy shade. That is beautiful. Okay, I love that shade of lipstick. Not something I would necessarily wear this time of year. I know this box is like Valentine's Day themed, but I only tend to really wear like wine shaded lipsticks in like fall and winter. Once, I know February is technically winter, but once it starts getting February, March, April, I really start trying to brighten up my look, obviously. All right, but I will definitely wear this, so I'm very happy to have gotten that. And I love Makeup Forever. Their quality is amazing. All right, next up is, looks like Sephora lip gloss. Yep, this is their Ultra Brilliant Gel Gloss, or sorry, their Ultra Shine Lip Gel in the shade Perfect Nude, which is really nice because I always need nude lip glosses, and their lip gloss formula is very, very nice. It's very thick and rich, but it's not sticky at all. So I'm very happy to get this. I will go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Oh, and don't mind my nails. They are trashed. I have some older nail polish in my collection that I've been meaning to throw out, and I grabbed one when I did my nails today. And of course, that means that even with my amazing top coat, my nails smudged and smeared and look like crap. So let me swatch this for you. Oh, wow. Okay, this is pretty dang close to a non-shimmery version of Urban Decay's Naked Lip Gloss. Like, that color is almost exact. Wow. Very shiny and has just a nice, light, sweet scent to it. So yeah, I'm very happy to get that, and I will definitely be wearing that. And then I've got one more thing in here, and love seeing Lancome in here. This is their Drama Liquid Pencil Eyeliner. It's a long-wear eyeliner in the shade Côte d'Azur, which I believe is a blue. Yes. We have a blue eyeliner, ladies and gentlemen, and it's a Sephora Play Box. Hallelujah. I'm so happy to get something that is not just plain black. And that is a primary blue. Let me swatch this. And of course it's Lancome, so it's like butter. Oh, that feels like a gel liner. You guys, look at that color. That is beautiful. Okay, I am super freaking happy with that. And it smudges a little bit, but it dries down quick. Okay, I'm happy. I am a happy girl. All right, so far, I'm actually really pleased with everything in this box. Like, mind you, this blue is like a really, really, really blue. That's like primary crayon color blue, so this is probably something I'm not going to use super often. It's something I'll probably pop, like try it in my waterline, something like that. Because if it works in my waterline, then I'll wear it a lot, especially with like oranges or pinks, stuff like that. So this will probably last me a while. But I love everything I got so far. Everything looks amazing, and I can't wait to use it. And I'm actually very happy about that because it's been a while since I've been like, yay, about everything in a Sephora Play Box. So I'm just going to go over everything that we got again real quick. We got the Tory Burch Love Relentlessly perfume, the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel, the First Day Beauty Ginger Turmeric and Vitamin C Jelly Mask. We got the Makeup Forever Matte Lipstick in the shade M500. The Sephora Ultra Shine Lip Gel in the shade Perfect Nude. And we got the Lancome Extreme Longwear Liquid Pencil Eyeliner in the shade Côte d'Azur, which I am probably not pronouncing correctly. But I'm very, very pleased with February Sephora Playbox, and hopefully soon we will actually be seeing March's Sephora Playbox. And please tell me there's something green in there, because if there's not, I will be sad. Like, give me a green eyeshadow, maybe a hunter green eyeliner, something like that. That would be awesome. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or just want to say hi, I would love to hear from you down in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.